Microsoft has just released Windows 11 version 25H2, rolling out globally as of October 1st, 2025. This update marks a major shift. It installs more like a quick security patch than a full system overhaul. Gone are the days of lengthy downloads and multiple restarts. 25H2 completes with just a single restart. The update targets only necessary files, making the process fast and efficient. Microsoft uses the same streamlined technology as its monthly Patch Tuesday updates. The result? Less disruption, faster updates, and a smoother experience for everyone. You can now update your PC and get back to work or play in minutes, not hours. Microsoft is clearly listening, making Windows updates easier and more user-friendly than ever. Windows 11 25H2 is built on the same core code as 24H2, ensuring maximum stability. Both versions receive identical security and bug fix updates, but 25H2 unlocks new features already present in the code. This approach means fewer bugs and a more reliable experience from day one. For users, it's peace of mind. You get new features on a platform that's already proven. Microsoft's unified codebase streamlines development and testing, resulting in a robust, dependable update. Security is front and center in 25H2, thanks to Microsoft's Secure Future initiative. Advanced tools and AI now help catch vulnerabilities before they reach your PC. 25H2 also brings immediate access to features rolled out over the past year, including native Wi-Fi 7 support for faster, more reliable connections. Everyday tools like the taskbar, File Explorer, and Task Manager have been refined for better usability. Quick machine recovery makes it easier to recover from boot problems. These upgrades, combined with major security improvements, make 25H2 a meaningful update. It's a safer, smarter, and more convenient Windows experience. Upgrading to 25H2 extends your device's support until October 2027, an extra year of security updates. The easiest way to get 25H2 is through Windows Update. Just check for updates in settings and enable Get the latest updates. Microsoft is rolling out the update gradually, so it may take days or weeks to appear for everyone. If you're eager, you can manually download it from Microsoft's website using the Installation Assistant, Media Creation Tool, or ISO file. This phased rollout ensures a smooth experience and lets Microsoft address any issues quickly. Whether you wait or install manually, the process is straightforward. Keeping your PC protected and up to date has never been easier. Upgrade now to stay secure and enjoy the latest features. No launch is perfect, and Microsoft has acknowledged a couple of minor issues with 25H2. Some users may have trouble playing certain protected media, and a niche bug affects enterprise update installations. These issues are rare and don't impact most home users. Microsoft is already working on fixes, which will arrive in upcoming updates. The overall rollout has been smooth, with most users enjoying a fast, seamless upgrade. With a single restart install, enhanced security, and a stable foundation, 25H2 is a highly recommended update. It's a confident step forward for Windows, prioritizing convenience, security, and performance.